Hello everyone, welcome to episode 26 of our channel Faster Homes. In this episode, we bring to you the demolition of the porch of the bungalow. If you have been following our channel, you realize that in our effort to divide the bungalow into 3 dwelling units, we have extended the foundation, and so it is now time for the porch to be demolished. To do this, we hired a carpenter to remove the old T&J, the roofing sheets, and then also we got some masons to demolish the concrete structure. And before I continue, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we kindly ask you to do so. And as I always say, this is your way of motivating us to bring you more content. Our target is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of December 2024. And so help us achieve this target by hitting the subscription button at the bottom right corner, and you will be subscribed. Also, don't forget to like this video and share with friends and family. We'll now leave you to enjoy the rest of the episode. The painful part was seeing the old T&J being removed, but we made sure that the carpenter took his time to remove all these, and they were maintained in a relatively good state. We might want to reuse them in certain parts of the house, and so stay tuned as we continue with this journey, and thank you for watching our channel.